Man, it's been a minute since we've done an unboxing like this, but we're back at it. Powerbeats Pro 2, let's jump into it. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So the new Powerbeats Pro 2 earphones just dropped and we got them in the building. We have them in electric orange. And so before we jump into the unboxing, I just want to say shout out to all the new subscribers and the old subscribers. The channel is growing like crazy over the last 2 years. We're almost at 18,000 subs and I wouldn't be here without you guys. So pat yourselves on the back. I appreciate you guys. Now let's go ahead and jump into some of the specs that you're going to get on the Powerbeats Pro 2 earphones. So right off, we're looking at active noise canceling. These things have a heart rate monitor. They're IPX4, which means that they're water and sweat resistance, and they have up to 45 hours of battery, and that's including with the charging cable, or not with the charging cable, sorry, that's including battery with the charging case. So 45 hours of battery with the charging case. These work with Android and Apple, of course. They have transparency mode. They have adaptive EQ. So that's like sound that's tailored to your ear shape and fit. I'll let you guys know in the full review if I notice any difference with the adaptive EQ. But it also has personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking, meaning no matter where you're looking, up, down, left, right, you should be getting that spatial audio, which is kind of like a 3D sound. Sounds hitting you from all angles. I know that's a mouthful, but guys, for $250, I believe these were, they should have everything. Everything should be included. So guys, what else are we looking at? We're looking at the Apple H2 chip. So these should be blazing fast with your iPhone. I think I've done enough talking and running through the specs. Let's get into what you guys came for. And of course, some of the highlighted specs are also on the back of the box. It looks like we get a USB Type-C charging case. Of course, everything's USB Type-C these days. Advanced comfort and stability with the ear hooks that's over here. And side note, before we jump into this, I've been using these Powerbeats Pro Clip Pro earphones as my daily drivers, and these are really comfortable. So as far as sound quality, I know these can't compete with the Beats. They better not, because they were a lot cheaper. But fitting wise and design, so far, these are my dailies, guys. Anyways, let's jump into the unboxing. Powerbeats Pro 2. Let's see what we get. Oh, that was easy. I definitely love those pull tabs. You got the earphone on the front of the box. Let's see if you guys can see that. Very faintly. Oh, I like this color. This electric orange color pops a lot. You have the Beats logo on the charging case. Before we open the charging case up, let me just see what else you get in the box. Powerbeats Pro 2, you got some information. You guys know how I feel. I suggest reading all this stuff. It's definitely gonna give you information about the device that you did not know and you did not see on YouTube. We can't cover everything, but we'll toss that to the side. You got some Beats stickers. And then what is this? This is just like the warranty information, all that. Looks like we have some silicone tips so you can get the fit just right. I love that they included this. I mean, again, $250, we should be getting something. I'm not seeing a charging cable, but I guess that's to be expected these days. So let's take a look at the charging case itself. So here's that USB Type-C charging port. And pretty much, guys, everything is USB Type-C for charging your devices. That's pretty much standard. So I'm sure you guys got a charging cable lying around, but it would have been nice for it to be included in the box. Compared to the Powerbeats Pro Clip charging case, you can see the size difference. Powerbeats is definitely smaller. Let's open these bad boys up. Ooh, okay. This is very orange. I don't know what I expected, but this is like a bright orange. I think I thought it was gonna be a little duller, but nah, these is bright. You're gonna see me in the gym with these on for sure. You know exactly, it's according to CB. People don't really call me that, but you know, you get what I'm saying. Anyways, guys, it looks like you have some control functionality on the earphones themselves. So you can push this button. This is gonna control the power up, volume up, volume down. You also have some voice controls that you can be doing. So looks like that button's on both sides. And overall, these are a very nice design. I like this. Beats did a good job with these Powerbeats Pro 2s for sure. And let's see. So guys, let me get my phone. Look at that right away. It's already asking, here, let me clear out some of this stuff. But as soon as I opened these headphones up, the packaging, it's like it wanted to connect to my phone right away. And I'm a fan of that. So I got my iPhone. Let's try this again. Look at that. Look how easy it is to pair these. And just like that, we're connected. So it says noise control, press and hold the Beats logo, really? For noise control, okay? And then it says media and call comfort. Oh man, this is going too fast. Control center, so press the volume slider to view controls for spatial audio, okay? Look at, here it is, heart rate, where both, oh man, that went by quick, but it says something about wearing both earphones at the same time, and that's going to be able to measure your heart rate. That's interesting. And as you guys can see, we're looking at 71% charge for the earphones and 55% for the charging case itself. And look at that, we're already connected. So guys, I'll make this a quick video and I'll do a more in-depth deep dive in the review. So look for that in about 2 weeks or so. You know, I'm a one-man army, so it's just me. It takes me a little bit. Anyways, guys, here, let's do a test real quick and just see how these sound. Let me find some music that I won't be copywritten for. And then we'll just do a quick sound test. So, all right, guys, I got the buds in my ear and it's a really nice, comfortable fit. I can't even lie to you. These fit snug in the ear. And here, let's do a quick sound test. Just off first impressions, the bass isn't too heavy. I'm sure you can adjust that within the Beats app, but right now the sound is just okay. I gotta do some tweaking. Drop a comment and let me know what you guys think of the sound quality. All right, guys, that was a real quick look at the Powerbeats Pro 2 earphones. So far, just off first impressions, I really like these earphones. They fit really nice in the ear. The design is sleek and it definitely looks premium. The color, this electric orange, pops a lot. So if you get this, guys, just know that you're gonna stand out. Anyways, guys, drop a comment down below. Let me know if you're gonna be picking these up and what you think of the video. I'll be doing more in the full review, so stay tuned and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. We back, baby.